two cloud hosting giants, Vultr and Cloudways, but only one can truly take your project to the next level. Which one really delivers? On the left, Vultr, developer-centric, ultra-flexible, and ready for power users. On the right, Cloudways, easy, managed hosting for everyone, whether you're launching a blog or an online store. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a mind map, a kinda roadmap, if you will, of all the things we'll be comparing today. Price, yup, the biggie, deployment and ease of use, performance and infrastructure, support and management, scalability and flexibility, and global reach. It's not just about raw specs, it's about which service really matches your needs. Okay, first up, price. Let me just say Vultr is seriously hard to beat when it comes to entry-level pricing. You start as low as $5 a month for a basic server like 1 vCPU, 1 gig RAM. Plus, you get tons of choices from shared CPU to high memory and dedicated plans. And that pay-as-you-go system? Super transparent, you can scale up or, bail without major commitment. Of course, one catch: Vultr is usually unmanaged by default, so if you want real hands-off support, you've gotta pay extra. Switching gears to Cloudways, they go for more of a flat-rate style, starting at $10 and up for their basic plan. But hey, management and support are built in, no surprise extra fees if you want someone to actually help you. Multiple cloud partners too, so you get a kinda bundled setup. But as you scale up, Cloudways can get pricey, especially on big servers, so in the battle of budgets, Vultr definitely walks away with the win here. Moving on, let's talk deployment and ease of use. Vultr is like, for people who want all the power, all the control, you get full root access, you can hit up their API, mess with the CLI, build stuff exactly how you want it. But seriously, it assumes you know what you're doing. No hand-holding here, and the dashboard, it's pretty much designed for tech pros. Now Cloudways flips that script. Their interface literally walks you through setup, everything is beginner-friendly, one-click WordPress installs, auto backups, staging. You name it, it's almost like they want you to relax and let the automation work its magic. Downsides, you don't get the granular server-level control like Vultr. Still, for folks who just want stuff to work, Cloudways hands down takes this round. Next up, performance and infrastructure. So Vultr uses SSD-powered servers, offers both CPU and GPU VMs plus premium bandwidth. You can choose from over 30 data centers worldwide, which is super cool. But here's the thing, performance tweaks and tuning, they're kinda up to you. No wizard, no magic buttons. Now Cloudways, they toss in built-in CDN, server-level caching, which is huge especially for WordPress or e-commerce sites. Deployment reaches like 65 global regions thanks to multiple underlying clouds. Oh, and if you want less hassle, it's all managed. But remember, Cloudways is using the backbone of other cloud partners like Vultr or AWS, so actual performance can depend on who you pick. Sometimes you get little quirks or variations. At the end, both services have strong infrastructure muscles, so I'm calling it a tie here. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Vultr hardware is actually available as one of the infrastructure choices inside Cloudways. So if you want Vultr speed but with Cloudways easy management, you can kinda have your cake and eat it too. For support and management, Vultr is kind of the classic DIY cloud. Support is mostly ticket-based and yeah, a solid knowledge base. Managed support? It's an add-on, so don't expect 24/7 live chat unless you're paying extra. Contrast that with Cloudways, they've got 24/7 live chat and ticket support by default, and they literally automate security patching and upgrades. Sometimes you'll get upsells for premium support, but honestly for most users it's way more handholding. Clearly, Cloudways is the easy winner here for support junkies. Scalability and flexibility, this is honestly where both Vultr and Cloudways shine. With Vultr you can resize, snapshot, migrate totally hands-on if you want it. Their API lets you automate pretty much everything, but it is manual, so be ready to roll up your sleeves. Cloudways makes the whole scaling thing super easy. Literally click a button, resources scale up or down, and they'll handle allocating stuff behind the scenes for you. Slight hitch, scaling is based on what's available on their partner clouds, but unless you're doing something extreme, it works really well. So for flexibility, I'm calling it a tie. Now let's talk global reach. Vultr boasts 30+ data center locations, which is honestly impressive. But I gotta admit, Cloudways kind of blows them out of the water. They combine 65 plus regions across multiple cloud providers. You pick a partner like Vultr, Google, AWS, and bam, you've got even more choices. The only caveat is where you land depends on what partner you pick. Vultr's global presence is solid, but with pure numbers, Cloudways edges it out for anyone who really wants worldwide options. Picture this, a radar chart of all the categories we covered. The scores are pretty close, but you see some spikes for Vultr's price and control, and Cloudways is shining when it comes to ease and support. No crazy landslides, but these little differences really stand out when you match them to your own needs. So here's my personal take. Vultr is honestly the go-to for developers and pros who want granular control, value for their dollar, and aren't afraid to get hands-on. Cloudways, though. If you're all about simple setup, automation, and you want that backup of full support, especially hosting WordPress or running online stores, it's kind of a lifesaver. Want tailored cloud hosting advice? Tell us your use case in the comments and we'll help you pick the right cloud for you.